Glendy. Peach. And Daisy. But they already know there's a lot of grass. Okay. They can't eat that much, but I think maybe for half an hour. Not much longer. Racy. Oh, echt? Peach. Spidey. Why? Oh, no, 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 no. Oh. Oh, dat gaat krek goed. Oh. Kom maar. They really want to go inside. Why? Oh, they knocked over the water again. Oh, eh? Belle, Korallen, Sally en Blomke. Belle. I think Belle is beautiful. Hey, that's Sally's. Come on. Krallen. Doe. Hi. You're in the wheelbarrow right now. And I put on my raincoat because it's raining again. I'm so done with it. And tomorrow they're gonna mow the grass. Yeah. Because nice weather is coming. So they can mow and they make hay of it, silage. So yeah. I'm going to the pasture, and I thought I'd do it this evening so the horses can walk outside for a long time. But I didn't know it was raining. Really? That's where you were. But over here is a wire all the way there, and here I make a wire so the horses can go out tomorrow and they can mow the grass. So I'm finished. You don't see anything. Oh, my hair. Yeah, I'm all wet. I love the horses. But the wire has come a little bit this way, so the mower can all the way around. So I think it's okay now.